Good afternoon. Thank you for choosing Toyota of Cedar Park. My name is Russell, your express technician assigned to your vehicle. Vehicle did come in today for an oil change as well as a multi-point inspection with the state inspection. I'm going to start the multi-point inspection off. All lights on the vehicle are in good working order. Engine air filter is quite discolored and dirty, so I did put a recommendation in to replace this for you today. Battery terminals are looking good, and we did top off washer fluid for you. When I come over here, vehicle did test well. 589 out of 700 cold cranking amps. We're going to lift the vehicle in the air now and take a look at brakes and tires for you. When it comes to front brakes measuring in at 10 millimeters, still plenty of life left on those front brakes. Rear brakes, coming in right about 6 millimeters, still plenty of life left on those rear brakes as well. One thing we did notice underneath the vehicle here on the driver's side, rear shocks has been leaking for quite some time and they are blown out, so we did put recommendations in for new rear shocks. Tire tread wear on the rear, you are going to be looking at a little under 11-30 seconds, still plenty of life left there. Front tires, right about 12-30 seconds, plenty of life left there as well. We also did notice on the front driver's side, this shock has also been blown out and been leaking for quite some time. So we put recommendations in for new front shocks as well. My recommendations for the vehicle today are going to be an engine air filter, front shocks and rear shocks, as well as a couple other items that are based off time and mileage of your vehicle. Your service advisor does have that information. Thank you for choosing Toyota Cedar Park and have a great day.